Hello and welcome to the Engineer to You channel. In this video, I will show how to control motor speed with PID algorithm by Arduino UNO. With PID control, speed of motor can be achieved exactly. This video mainly introduces about making program in Arduino UNO and program in computer to control motor speed by PID algorithm. Arduino UNO is used to store program motor control, PID algorithm, communicating with computer through COM port. Computer will have HMI made by Visual Studio to communicate with Arduino UNO. HMI will show motor speed graph, change motor speed setting, and PID gain. Let's go in detail. Before coming each step, please support me by subscribe my channel. Your subscribe and comment will give me a great motivation for next video. Thank you. Step 1. Hardware and software needed. To make this project, you will need following hardware: motor with encoder, H-bridge L298, Arduino UNO, and other auxiliary parts like motor base cables. The motor with encoder, you can choose any DC motor, but you need to know how many turns of encoder per revolution. In case you don't know, you can make simple program with Arduino, then rotate motor shaft to know how many turns of encoder per revolution. In my case, it is 200 turns per revolution. About software, you will need Arduino IDE to program Arduino UNO and Visual Studio to make HMI on computer. In my case, I use Visual Studio 2008. You can use newer version if you can. Step 2. Hardware connection. Make circuit like this design. It's easy for Arduino fan. Encoder from motor will connect to pin 2 and 3. H-bridge is used to control motor speed, then pin 4, 5, and 6 will connect to H-bridge, and output of H-bridge is connected to motor. Step 3. Arduino code. At beginning of program, it will receive command from computer: start-stop motor, motor speed setting, KP, KI, KD gain of PID. Next is interrupt subprogram detect A. It is used to count total encoder punch. Then it is used for speed calculation in timer interrupt routine. Timer interrupt routine will be called every 0.1 second. This subprogram will do: 1. Calculate motor speed. 2. Send motor speed to computer. 3. Calculate PMW punch based on PID algorithm. 4. Push result of PMW to H-bridge. The entire code of Arduino UNO can be downloaded at the description section of this video. Step 4. Code works at computer. Visual Studio 2008 is used to make HMI program in which 1. Send speed setting to Arduino UNO. 2. Send PID gain to Arduino UNO. 3. Receive motor speed and show on graph. Note that communication between Arduino UNO and Visual Studio by COM communication. The code can be downloaded at the description section of this video. Let's test it. I will try and put 4000 RPM, PID gain, then send to Arduino UNO. Start motor. Motor will reach 4000 RPM. The HMI will draw motor speed here. We can see speed reaction by time lapse. You can see at beginning, it has a little overshoot and fluctuation between speed setting. It depended on PID gain tuning. Okay, I will try input 7000 RPM with same PID gain, then send to Arduino UNO. Run motor again. You see, motor catch 7000 RPM. Thanks for your watching. If you like the project, please help me to share and subscribe my channel to see next project. See you next time.